In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Aweber. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Aweber. In the results, choose the official Aweber website. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're using the correct tools. Once you're on the site, click Sign In and access your account. After you're in, head to the Automation section, then choose Workflows. This is where you'll manage how and when emails are sent, and it's a convenient place to build a template you can reuse. Select the workflow you want to work with. This can be an existing draft or an active workflow you're updating. Inside the workflow canvas, click the plus icon to add a new action and choose Send Message. This tells the workflow to deliver an email at this point in the sequence. Next, click Create a Message. This opens the message editor where you'll design the email that will become your template. In the editor, start customizing the email to your needs. Use the basic building blocks to shape your layout. Add text for your headline and body copy, insert images to showcase your brand, drop in a button for a clear call to action, and use dividers to create visual separation. If you have a video, include a video block to drive engagement. Add your logo near the top for instant brand recognition, and use rows to organize content into clean sections. Keep your formatting consistent. Add alt text to images, and make sure your buttons are easy to see and click. You can also take advantage of grouped elements for richer content. The feed block can pull in your latest posts, while product and article blocks highlight offerings or stories with structured layouts. Use a coupon block for promotions, social, and share blocks to encourage follows and forwards, a signature block for a professional sign-off, and a carousel when you want to present multiple images or items in a compact space. These grouped options help you build a versatile, reusable template without starting from scratch each time. When your design looks good, click Save as Template. Give your template a clear, memorable name so you can find it quickly later. Then click Save Template. Finally, save your message. You can choose Save to stay in the editor or Save and Exit to return to the workflow. Back on the workflow screen, click Publish to make your changes live. Your new email template is now saved and ready to use in future messages, keeping your branding consistent and your workflow efficient.